Now, this next one, or next group, a lot of this group deals with luminance, saturation of either the base or the blend, that type of thing. So we're going to look at hue first. This is going to create a color with the luminance and saturation of the base. You can kind of see that. Whoop, wrong group. Saturation. It has a result that shows the luminance and the hue of the base, and it keeps the saturation of the blend, which in this case doesn't do a whole lot because you lost all the detail with this one. Then we get into color. Color has the luminance of the base, and it's got the hue and saturation of the blend. And then we get into luminosity, which has the hue and saturation of the base and the luminance of the blend. This mode is the inverse effect of the color mode. So there's color, and then we've got the inverse effect here. Now let's do the same little group here. And this one probably is a little bit easier to see. With hue, we've got the luminance and saturation of the base and the hue of the blend. Okay, so it kept that yellow, but then it went with the luminance and saturation of the base, which was the lily. For saturation, we've got the luminance and the hue of the base. And that's why we're getting some of that pink in there. And the saturation of the blend. So if we take, if you guys remember in the blend, we had a firework and there were areas that were black, and that's kind of why we're getting these striped effects on the flower here. With color, we get the luminance of the base and the hue and saturation of the blend. And that's why we've got the yellow coming through. And then for luminosity, we've got the hue and saturation of the base. And the only thing we're getting from the blend is the luminance of the blend. Okay, this is, again, an inverse of the color mode. They are inverse of each other.